Hello everybody from the Facebook page Matthew About Film One Way or Another. I'm Jordan Todosey. I'm an actress, best known for the role of Adam Torres in Degrassi and Lizzie McDonald on Life with Derek. Obviously, I'm super passionate about films and creating TV shows, movies, the whole industry, and it really means a lot that you guys support Matthew and his page, as well as support the industry that I love so dearly. I'm super honored I get to count in the new year with you guys. Let's ring in 2021. Without further ado, let's count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Sending you the best wishes for the new year, 2021. 2020 was a crazy year for all of us. It threw a lot of curveballs at us. So let's hope that 2021 is a little bit more normal and filled with lots of love, light. May it be joyous, may it be prosperous, and may it be spent with the people you love. Mwah. Sending you so much love, so much light. Thank you guys so much. Happy New Year.